But you see that sucker over there? 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds.
Transformation of energy and invention of engines is one of the main achievements of humankind and is what gave rise to Industrial Revolution.
Today we will be discussing about one of humanity's greatest crowning achievements, the steam engine. The steam engine caused the transformation from a complete rural society to a new and urbanized one. The steam engine is symbolic in the Industrial Revolution. It caused the chain reaction of other inventions to be made to improve its nature.
The idea of steam engine came from Thomas Savery, but he didn't invent fully-fledged steam engine. It was engine to pump water from mining. In the late 17th century, Savery worked in coal mining and he had a problem of pumping water. Savery created a machine which was constructed of vessel filled by water, which transformed into steam. When the water was expelled, sprinkler condensed steam, producing a vacuum, which gained more water.
Thomas Newcomen, born in 1664 in the United Kingdom, is the father and inventor of steam engine. Inventions derive from everyday issues in society. This particular issue that led to the invention of the steam engine was floodings in coal mines and tin mines. Thomas Newcomen sought to fix this flooding issue by creating the steam engine. As opposed to what his predecessor Thomas Savery did, Newcomen added the cylinder to the piston. Instead of the vacuum drawing in the water, it drew in the piston. This is Thomas Newcomen's steam engine, and a diagram of it labeling the main parts of the pump. A big wooden beam is moved by the steam engine's steam piston in order to power the water pump. The steam piston is not pushed up by the engine using steam pressure. Instead, the system is designed so that the main pump side of the beam is heavier and is pulled down by gravity. If necessary, weights are added to the main pump side.
Steam engines took over the world and led to the Industrial Revolution. Steam engines was actively used in pumps and railways locomotives. Steam engines was tied to the carriages and horses was trapped in this way. Here we are in Colonel Work Pumping Station. They used 1200 horsepower in each steam engine, and each steam engine has two 30-ton flywheels. Flywheel drives a piston capable of discharging 30 million of gallons of water per day using 48 inches pipes. For steam engine we need a steam boiler. There are very high temperature which boil the water and steam is here. Steam goes up and goes to cylinder. Since there are no any free space, the pressure of steam push piston, this part, to the side, and piston push connecting rod. After that, flywheel become to roll and compelled to move sliding valve. When the piston goes to the certain point, the steam is released to atmosphere and piston go back. The cycle, which I explained earlier,
The advantages of the steam engine. Almost any type of fuel can be used, from firewood and dung to a chain reaction of fission and any fissile material, for example, from a radioisotope heat source. Another advantage is steam locomotives perform well at high altitudes, since their efficiency does not decrease, but on the contrary, increases due to low atmospheric pressure. Steam locomotives are still used in the mountainous regions of Latin America and China, despite the fact that in the plains they have long been replaced by more modern types of locomotives powered by diesel engines. Another advantage is a reciprocating steam engine is capable of withstanding high overloads for a long time, up to 100%, which the internal combustion engines are not capable of.
However, steam engines have some disadvantages. Steam Steam engines need a big amount of water with constant refilling. High pressure boiler needs a constant inspection, so a big crew is needed. Also, steam engines require a long period of time to bring to readiness. Today, steam engines is actively used in steam cars, steamships, pumping station, tractors, and other vehicles.
The steam power is of great importance. It is the fuel for many machines and vehicles. It is cheap and easy to produce.